Hi, and welcome to today's lesson. Have you ever noticed how the word up appears in so many English phrasal verbs? It's small, but it adds a big meaning. You've probably heard things like wake up, clean up, or give up. But have you ever wondered, what does up really mean in these phrases? Let's break it down. What's up with up? In phrasal verbs, the word up doesn't mean higher or above. Instead, it adds a special feeling or idea to the verb it's used with. Here's the secret. Up often means something is complete, finished, increased, improved, or more active. It gives a little energy to the verb, like turning the dial up a bit. Let's look at some common phrasal verbs with up and see what kind of meaning this small word adds. Finish or complete something. When up is used, it often means something is done, finished to the end. For example, eat up. You finish all your food. Come on, eat up. Dinner's getting cold. Wow, you ate it all up. Or use up. You finish all of something's and now it's gone. We used up all the milk. Don't use up all the glue. I need some too. Make something clean or tidy. Up can make an action feel complete, especially when we clean or organize. For example, clean up. Make a place tidy. Let's clean up before the guests arrive. Wow, you cleaned up the whole room. Or wash up. Wash your hands or the dishes. Go wash up before dinner. I'll wash up after we eat. Increase or improve something. Sometimes up means we're making something go higher, stronger, louder, or better. For example, turn up. Make the volume louder. Can you turn up the music? She turned it up. Now I can hear it better. Or speed up. We need to speed up. The bus is leaving. He's speeding up now to catch the train. Start or become active. In many cases, up gives the idea of starting something or getting active. For example, wake up. Stop sleeping. I usually wake up at 7. Wake up! You're going to be late. Or stand up. Move from sitting to standing. Please stand up when your name is called. He stood up and walked to the front. Give effort or energy. Up can add a feeling of emotion or power, like putting in effort or reacting strongly. For example, speak up. Talk louder or with confidence. Please speak up. I can't hear you. She finally spoke up and shared her idea. Or cheer up. Feel encouraged and happier, or to cause someone to feel this way. He cheered up after the phone call. He plays music to cheer his wife up. Quit or stop trying. Sometimes up can also show that someone stops trying. They quit. For example, give up. Stop trying. Don't give up. Keep going. He gave up after one try. Or break up. End a relationship. They broke up last month. It was sad when they broke up. So, what does up really do? It adds life to the verb. It can mean finishing something, making something clean or tidy, increasing or improving something, starting or becoming active, quitting or reacting. When you see a phrasal verb with up, look closely. Chances are it's giving that verb a feeling of energy, change, or completion. So next time you hear a phrasal verb with up, you'll be able to naturally guess what it's really about. Listen for these in conversations or shows. Try using one or two in your own sentences today. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Thanks for listening and see you next time.